What's up guys, in this video, we're going to check out the best outdoor solar lights. The perfect landscape lighting solution is solar-powered outdoor solar lights. They're easy to install, inexpensive, and don't require electricity to work, so you can place them anywhere. Two reasons make outdoor solar lights great for lighting up your yard or driveway. They are a bit more expensive than standard plug-in lights, but they will save you money in the long run since you don't need to shut down your electricity. Secondly, since they're cordless, you can place them anywhere you want as long as they receive enough sunlight during the day. The purpose of this video is to provide information about the best quality outdoor solar lights on the market. If you want more information, don't forget to check links mentioned in the description box. Okay, let's start with the video. Our first pick is Sunforce A2153 LED triple head solar motion light. It should be a great choice for your porch, garage, or yard. This versatile unit comes with a separate solar panel that can charge 3 pre-installed batteries in all daylight conditions, and it's attached to a smart light. Over a 15-feet lead, allowing you to place it in the best possible position for maximum exposure to the sun. This area light produces an impressive 1,000 lumens of light, and you can adjust its two side lights up, down, and horizontally to focus on different areas. The built-in motion sensor detects movement within 180 degrees and up to 30 feet, and you can adjust its detection distance and illumination duration. At number 2, Aootek New Solar Lights 120 LED. This pack of 4 solar wall lights is an unbeatable value, under $10 each. Each luminaire has 120 small LED bulbs surrounded by reflective material, which increases brightness. As a result of the side bulbs, the light angle is wider. These lights offer 3 operating modes. You can leave the lights on all night, turn them on for 15 seconds when motion is detected, or turn them on at a lower and brighter brightness when motion is detected. The device's motion sensor can see movement within a 26 feet radius and a 120 degrees angle. In addition, once the light is installed, the controls are inaccessible due to their location on the back. At number 3, Brightech Ambience Pro Solar Light. You can decorate your porch, patio, or yard with this solar-powered outdoor string light set, which comes with a retro, replaceable Edison bulb. From the quaint cafe. There are 12 LED bulbs on each strand, which are connected by a 6-foot wire to the solar panel. The panel comes with mounting brackets and clips that provide a variety of mounting options, and it powers the light for up to 6 hours on a single full charge. These lights are made of shatterproof plastic, so they are ideal if they are dropped or blown away. The solar panel has a lifespan of 1,000 charges, which the brand says has a lifespan of about 2.5 years. They offer a 2-year warranty. At number 4, Ring Smart Solar Lighting. This smart outdoor solar light not only offers an impressive 1,200 lumens of brightness, but it also has smart features, allowing you to control and adjust the light from your phone. The projector, available in black or white. It has 2 adjustable ends so you can adjust the angle to the appropriate focus. You can install the removable solar panel in a prime location for maximum sun exposure. This light doesn't have a fixed setting, but it will turn on for 15 minutes at a time when motion is detected within 4 to 5 feet. Its Nest Bridge provides various smart features when paired with this device. You'll be able to set schedules, turn lights on and off, customize light sensitivity and brightness settings, and more. At number 5, LEPOWER 1600 LM LED Solar Light. In general, solar lights aren't as bright as hardwired options, but these solar lights have a capacity of 1,600 lumens, making them ideal for security purposes. These solar-powered lights feature 3 adjustable heads, as well as a motion sensor that can detect motion up to 72 feet away. It has 2 modes of operation. In auto mode, the light turns on when motion is detected and stays on for 10 to 120 seconds, or in on mode, the light stays on for about 50 minutes. The solar panel has a cable that allows it to be mounted up to 15 feet from the light, and the lamp has a lifespan of 50,000 hours, which means it doesn't need to be replaced frequently. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.